Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing the 2-month update on my Galaxy Z Fold 4 that I purchased from Plug Tech. I've been doing these updates ever since I got the phone. I did one at 1 month, and I did the original unboxing and showing you guys the condition that this phone came in from Plug Tech. They are selling these extremely cheap, and good news, I just checked, and at the time of this video, they do have the Z Fold 4 back in stock and under $500. I believe the excellent condition price right now is $489, so you can get these very, very cheap, under 500 bucks. And my Z Fold 5, or Z Fold 4 rather, just got One UI 6.1 last week, and I can tell you that the performance is a lot better on 6.1 than previously, so things are opening a lot smoother, and I've done a whole video on One UI 6.1 on the Z Fold 4. If you guys are interested, that video is on the channel, but this is just a review, a 2-month review of the actual used Z Fold 4 from Plug Tech. Because I wanted to show you guys how it's holding up, whether I've had any issues with it, which to this date I have not. Like I said in my original video, when I got this from Plug, it did not have the inner screen protector on here, and I've been using the white stone dome ones ever since I had a Fold 3, Fold 4, Fold 5. I've been using these on all of them, so putting that on this phone was not a big deal at all to me. I did go ahead and install that when I got the phone. It was 20 bucks, and they're easy to put on. I had some extra Spigen screen protectors laying around, so I still have that on the outer screen, and I'm still using that. And I did purchase this skin on eBay for, I think it was like $8 or $9, and it's been holding up very well, and it looks very nice. This is the green Z Fold 4, so I put this nice red carbon fiber looking skin on here, and it's been doing great. Everything else is doing good. Like I said, the phone did arrive in excellent condition as it was stated. There weren't any scratches or marks that I could see on the device. Just like Plug states with their excellent condition devices, it should look pretty much brand new. If you purchase one in good condition, it should have 1 or 2 scratches, and in eco-friendly it may have some dings, dents, scratching, stuff like that, but nothing that impacts use, and all their devices do come with a 12-month warranty, and I did purchase the accidental damage protection for this as well. And this isn't really an ad for Plug. I do have an affiliate link with them, so that will be down in the description below. Just for a disclaimer, I did not have that affiliate link when I purchased this device. This was purchased entirely by me just because I wanted another Z Fold device, but I didn't want to pay, you know, $1,000 plus for it. So I tried out Plug after seeing them on YouTube, and then I was happy with my purchase. So I did get an affiliate link from them with their affiliate program, or brand ambassador program as it's called, and this gives you $10 off a purchase of $99 or more. So if anybody's interested in picking up an iPhone or an Android device, they have Pixels, they have Samsung, they have the Galaxy S23s, Fold, Flip, all that kind of stuff on there, and that rotates pretty frequently on there. So if you do see something you're interested in, make sure you go ahead and pick it up, because they may run out, or they may run out of that device in that condition. So make sure you snag it while you can. But I was very happy with the device from them, and their products are definitely very well cleaned and looked over before they are sold. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.